All right, so you were in a car accident. It was not your fault. So you may think it's okay to give a statement to the insurance adjuster for the other driver. It is not. Injury attorney Rusty Messer with Big River Trial Attorneys in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Today we're going to talk about why you should never give a statement to the other driver's insurance company. When that adjuster calls, you can be sure that he or she is looking to do at least two things. One is the adjuster wants to minimize or downplay your injuries. So the adjuster may say, well, how do you feel? And you might say, well, I'm a little bit sore. But maybe 2 or 3 days later, your back starts to hurt. You can bet when you're at trial, they'll be playing that original recording to say, well, you didn't hurt right after the accident, did you? And maybe you did, but you were so much in shock you didn't know. The second thing that the adjuster is going to be trying to do is to minimize the fault of their driver, right? So the adjuster might ask you, well, how fast were you going? And lots of people guess because they don't remember. Or the adjuster might try to pin you into saying something like, well, did somebody stop suddenly in front of you? And you can bet when you get to trial, they will be using that statement to argue why their insured is not at fault or why their insured should not be 100% at fault. Louisiana is what's called a comparative fault state. That means you can be 10%, 20%, 30% at fault for something. And if you go to trial and they manage to prove that you were 30% at fault for the accident, that reduces your recovery by 30%. So you can bet that adjuster is looking to do everything they can to cut down the fault of their insured. The insurance company has trained adjusters and experienced attorneys on its side. The adjuster works for the insurance company, not for you. The adjuster is looking out for the insurance company's shareholders, not for you. If you've been hurt in an accident, you need an experienced attorney on your side who will fight for you. Pick up the phone, give us a call to schedule a no-cost confidential consultation so we can find out how to best protect your rights.